Hey guys, Dobby back at you. Got another conspiracy theory for you. This one's titled "Birds Aren't Real." It's kind of a ridiculous one, if you ask me. I actually never, I don't remember ever hearing this one before until I looked at it. I had to look it up. That people think that birds are government drones. Like the surveillance drones. Apparently, they have rallies and they sell merch, and there's like stories of real birds being called and being replaced with the drones. Sounds a little schizo if you ask me, but apparently there's people out there that really believe this stuff. And don't get me wrong, I like a good conspiracy theory, but sometimes it can make you think. But you really think that pigeon eating trash out of the trash can is a government drone sent to spy on you? Let's see, I'll find more. I think I kind of vaguely remember hearing about it, but I had to look into it, see if it was a real thing or not. Yeah, it was like the moon. People think the moon landing was faked and the Earth is flat. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. My little buddy's being a little whiny tonight. Sometimes he gets a little whiny and wants to be roaming free and misbehave. But yeah, I think the U.S. the government, or more specifically the CIA eliminated or exterminated the birds in the United States between 1959 and 1971. They used a number somewhere around 12 billion birds, using like poison from modified B-52s. They basically use poison bombs on birds. The more I read, the more funny and ridiculous it sounds. And I think that, like, when you see birds standing on power lines, that they're charging. And I think that our bird poop is a tracking liquid. One of the catchy mottos is, if it flies, it spies. Yeah, they have got t-shirts or even a book. Apparently the New York Times wrote articles on it. 60 Minutes did segments on it. Supposedly a deliberate, like, entertainment piece. But apparently there's some people that took it seriously. They're kind of uses birds aren't real, conspiracy theory as like a the anti-Trump protesters. They use it as like a comedy thing to protest the anti-Trump protesters. Kind of find that kind of hilarious. Apparently, some engineers have developed like biometric drones inspired by actual bird flight. And it's supposed to be a joke, but I think it kind of seems like there are a small group of people that took it seriously. I am not one of them, but because to each his own. What do you think? Are birds real? I sure hope so. I think they are, but I figured you find this one entertaining. Nothing else. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.